We're positioned as an industry to really impact the pollinator because there are about 160,000 miles of transmission line across the industry. So we have a lot of opportunity to provide these stable plant communities with the right type of habitat where pollinators will flourish. FirstEnergy has a vast transmission system, about 20,000 miles of transmission line, and that relates to a lot of acres to manage, and we do employ integrated vegetation management practices to maintain incompatible vegetation to make sure that they don't grow tall enough to interfere with our transmission line. So through the course of doing that work, we're actually establishing low-growing, compatible, stable plant communities, which are very good for pollinators. So the flowering types of plants that provide food as well as a place to rest and just cover for the pollinators. And so by employing our practices, we actually are able to help provide an environment for them.